morning to you. Welcome to RGS Cooking with Keshni and Alicia. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg fried rice. Okay, so you have rice which is left over and you don't know what to do with it. You can quickly make a quick recipe. I've used 6 eggs here, and which I'm going to beat. Now I'm going to just add some salt and some black pepper to it. Okay, and then I've got 6 Viennas which I've cut up, 1 whole onion, and 3 green chilies which I've sliced. Okay, so I'm just going to add some black pepper. Okay, that should do it. And just some salt. Salt to taste. Okay, and I'm just going to give that a quick beating. Make sure that it's nicely beaten up. Okay, now we're ready to start. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my oil. I'm using olive oil today to make the egg fried rice. Okay, I'm just going to wait for it to heat up a bit, and then I'm going to drop in my onion with my green chilies. Okay, I'm just going to add this in. Just gonna wait for it to fry a little bit. Okay, so the onion is starting to fry now. Okay, let it just fry for a few minutes. Okay, the onions are starting to brown up a bit now, so I'm gonna drop in the Viennas. Okay, I want it to fry a little bit in the onion. You can add whatever you want. If you have leftover chicken, you can shred the chicken, and you can do the same thing I'm doing now. Just fry it a little bit with the onion and the chili. Okay, I'm using this Vienna that has a little bit of cheese, so I didn't add too much of salt to my eggs because cheese is obviously very salty as well. Now as it starts to fry a little bit, I'm going to drop in the eggs. Give them another 2 more minutes or so. Okay, now I'm just going to stir it one more time, and then I'm going to drop in the eggs. Okay, now I'm just going to drop in the eggs. And let it fry a little bit. Okay, now the eggs are starting to fry. Okay. As it fries like this, I'm going to just give it another minute, and then I'm going to drop in the rice. Okay, now I'm just going to stir it, and then I'm going to start adding in the rice. Okay, now you can see the rice and the eggs and all are frying together. And to this mixture now, I'm just going to add some sauce. I normally use Nando sauce because my kids like it. So I'm going to use 2 kinds, the lemon and herb. And this is the lemon and herb. Okay, I'm just going to add in a little bit of sauce to this. And this is the peri peri hot sauce. Okay. Just going to give it a quick stir. I'm just going to drop the heat. And I'm going to garnish it with some coriander. Okay, it's done now, and I'm just going to switch the stove off, and it's ready for serving. So quick and easy meal. Okay, this is the end product. There's the egg fried rice. Okay, it's very, very tasty, and I hope you guys will try my recipe and let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.